Welcome back. It's your lousy Florida gardener. Talk to you just a minute. We're coming in the fall. It's right here in the first week of November, November 2nd, 2021 to be exact. Florida, Zone 8B, North Florida, right in the panhandle. Everything's starting to die back now. 95 to 98% of my plants are tropical plants. But in the 3 to 4 years that I've been in the plants, as far as other than vegetables, this has been a dull time of year for me because I watch everything die. Everything's dull throughout the winter. But if you've been following along, you see I've got into composting on now. So it's a little different now. I'm excited winter's here and fall. I'm using those pieces instead of watching them die on my plants and something that I can regenerate next year. I've got an opportunity now. My plants are produced enough that I can separate some of them. I've been thinking throughout the year and how I wanted to change some of my beds. Well, now they die back. This gives me an opportunity to be laying that out, preparing for the next spring. So the rain has finally died back. We're going to see a lot more videos now. If you notice, I've been cranking them out right here in the last few days and about the last week. That was largely in part, I had a bigger summer plan, but it rained every day. So whenever I had time to do something, I didn't have time to shoot a video. I had to get it done. So now with the rain gone, fall's coming in, we got some projects lined up. You've been following the hugelkultur bed, the onions. We got some turnips planted, we got some mustards. We just started some collard seed and some broccoli seed. You see these compost experiments going on. We're going to add in a couple more type compost experiments. We're going to compare the two, or maybe three, just depending on what I come up with. I'm still in the research stages. You see we've added chickens. We got a little something on chickens. That's leading to a little something else. I didn't want it to go that way, but that's the way it's going. So I plan on adding a couple greenhouses. All this is dependent on financial funds as they're available. So there may be some delay. I'm just telling you what I got in mind. We may have to order some of that may be put off, but it's coming. It may just take some time. The reason you've been seeing them delays, as I told you, the rain. It's been just torrential rain. That's all over now. We coming on in the fall. We got some plans. I invite y'all to tune in. Keep your spirit up. Fall's the time to get out there and do something. If you're interested in getting into compost, no better time than to start during the fall. Gives you a chance to gather up some of that green stuff that's dying and use your nitrogen for your carbon mix into your compost bin, and you don't waste it. And by next spring, if you do it right, do some research on how to use it, figure out a way that works for you, you got some free compost. I mean, what better for a gardener? So just want to let you know where we got it coming together. It's been going on anyway. I just ain't been able to share it with you. But I look forward to sharing some videos with you over the winter. Appreciate you.